Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Citibank reward points. First, as you can see how it works, after you make, as an example, an eligible purchase, you can log into your citi.com. As an example, if you go to citi.com, you'll find yourself in the web. Of course, you make sure to go and log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, click on open an account and you should be then good to go. And of course, as we said, once you make a purchase, you can go to the citi.com or Citi mobile app and go to reward and benefit, then click on pay with points. You can select an eligible purchase, accept the terms and conditions, and click on redeem, and your points will be redeemed for a statements credits within 2 to 3 business days. So how, or an example, where can you pay with those credits? As you can see, we have a whole page which is pay with points here in citi.com. Of course, you'll be able to find this also in your application. So all you need to do, just log in, make selection, get statements credits, then get notified. Of course, eligible categories is dining, groceries, gas, clothing and department stores, utility, entertainment, and drug stores. Of course, we don't recommend doing that. So you can simply go to citi.com and pay with points, of course, and you should be good to go. So, of course, there's some frequently asked questions on paying with points. If you want to read them out, as you can see, a lot of things here. You can pause the video if you have one of those questions and read the answer right there. I'm just going to open here all the answers and you should be good to go. So that's going to be it for me in this video. As you can see, you can shop here to wherever you want. So even with Amazon, even other stuff, and you can look for whatever you want with the points that you have. So that's going to be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.